Big news out of Nigeria. President Bola Tinubu has officially signed a bill upgrading the Federal Polytechnic, Ilaro, to a full-fledged university, now called the Federal University of Technology, Ilaro. This historic move fulfills a long-awaited dream for Ogun West, finally giving the region its first federal university. More opportunities, more growth, and a brighter future for Nigerian students.
No more school fees. Yes, you heard right. It be like Tinubu do well on this one. He try. If they do bad, say we go talk out. But on this one, he try. The federal government just made a shocking move that could change everything for students in 2025. If you are planning to attend any of the 33 federal science and technology colleges, this might be the golden chance. Number 2, if you know say you no fit afford university for your child or your children at the child dey secondary school, now your golden opportunity be this one. Number 3, maybe you dey think say make your child go learn work, but you see the reason quality education. Say how the child no go fit get opportunity of quality education wey you no get. This one is the chance. Now 2 in 1. In short, when me say I read this thing, I verify. It took me some days before I can come out to tell you publicly. It be like say, as these people begin to reason and say they don't dey chop student loan money, it took it to the grassroots. How many graduates, how many Chinese graduates they make your phone and your television? If you get pikin wey learn mechanic for 10 years and pikin wey go university to learn mechanical engineering, and you have an expensive car, who will you give the car? Back to the matter. Don't say you did not hear this, but there's a catch and a deadline. Let me break it down for you real quick. The federal government of Nigeria has removed all fees at the 33 federal science and technical colleges, FSTC, starting from 25 to 2026 academic year. The TVEC program, which means Technical and Vocational Education and Training, will begin in August this year, 2025. The TVET offers practical and work-on training and gives students valuable skills and recognized credentials in today's job market. So you don't need to go pay one oga, say the person after he gone let work finish, you go find money for freedom. The certificate that will be given to the child will be internationally recognized. So if you want to enroll, visit the Federal Science and Technical Colleges to register. Anyone in your state. Registration fee, I go tell you, they say now 4,200. Is it too much to change your pikin life, your child's life? Then after payment, FSTC staff will help the candidates to complete the online registration. The deadline for the registration is Thursday, 12th of June. No miss amo. Entrance examination will be on Saturday, 14th June 2025, 9 a.m. at any of your selected FSTC. I no get money to send my pikin to school no day again. If you say your pikin no fit go school, you want make it learn work. But at this point, your pikin can go to school and learn work at the same time.